but that whole culture story. And my friend Chung will tell you more in the next video.
That's right. Today I take you on a journey through the cultures, legends and traditions of Vietnam Mid-Autumn Festival. It's one of the most beautiful nights in Hanoi, and every night, every spot has a meaning with everything. Every year, when the full moon rises on the 15th day of the 8th lunar month, Vietnamese people celebrate Tết Chung Thu, the Mid-Autumn Festival. It's a night of joy, family and reunion, but long before it became a children's festival, it was actually a time for farmers to thank the moon after the harvest. In the old days, the full moon symbolized abundance and balance. People offer fruit, cakes and tea to express gratitude to nature and to hope for another new year's peace and good crops. Over time, it became the festival of the moon and the story that surrounded it. From the ladies who lived on the moon to the man who never left his banyan trees, every tale reflects something about us. Our love, our dreams, and our longing for reunion. One of the most beautiful parts of the Mid-Autumn Festival is the Mâm Ngũ Quả, the 5-fruit tree. It's not just decorations, it's a message, a wish for a happy and harmonious life. Each fruit has its own meanings. Pomelo for prosperity, bananas for protection, persimmon for happiness, pomegranate for virility, and custard apple for peace. You might have heard that 5 fruits represent 5 elements: wood, fire, earth, matter, and water. But here in Vietnam, it's actually more about families, colors, and harmonies. Each home creates its own version of Mid-Autumn Festival tray, full of vibrant fruit, mooncake, and lanterns, and symbolizing abundance and reunion. You see, even this pomelo, we always peel it and share it together, because happiness in Vietnamese culture only means something when it's shared. When the moon is full, so should our hearts beat? You can't talk about Mid-Autumn Festival without mentioning this mooncake, or as we call them, bánh Trung Thu. There are 2 main types: the baked one, bánh nướng, with golden crust and rich fillings, and the snow-skin ones, bánh dẻo, made from sticky rice flour, soft and sweet. Traditionally, families cut the mooncake into small pieces because happiness in Vietnam is something we share, never something we keep for ourselves. Inside, you'll often find salted egg yolk, symbolizing the moon, stirred by lotus seed, paste or mixed nuts. It's a perfect balance between sweet and savory, just like the balance of life we celebrate tonight. Today, you'll find dozens of new flavors: chocolate, matcha, even durian or cheese. But no matter how fancy it gets, one thing never changes: the act of cutting, sharing, and gathering around the same table. That's why, for Vietnamese people, the mooncake isn't just dessert. It's a small circle that connects generations from grandparents to kids, from the past to the present. Everywhere you look during Mid-Autumn Festival, you'll see the family faces and shapes: a cat, a rabbit, a man with the banyan trees, and of course the lion dance. Each one tells its own story, full of hopes, humor, and a bit of little magic. Let's start with the carved lanterns, or đàn cá chép. In Vietnamese tale, the calves swim upstream and turn into a dragon, the symbol of perseverance and success. Believe that hard work can take you to the sky. And that's why the parents give this to their kids as a little wish for their bright future. There's a moon lady, Chị Hằng, a symbol of beauty, kindness, and internal love. Beside her lives the white rabbit, who represents purity and magic of the moon. Together, they remind us that love and dreams can live together, even if they are light years away. And that funny guy up there, that's Uncle Quay, the man who flew to the moon with his banyan tree. Every Vietnamese child grow up with his silly, heartwarming story. He's a reminder that joys and imaginations are just as important as success. Finally, the lion dance, Múa Lân, is all about the energy, courage, and good luck. The louder the drums, the more the bad spirit run away. It's noisy, it's joyful, and it makes you feel alive, just like Hanoi on a Mid-Autumn night. All this symbol, the calf, the rabbits, and the lions. Together, they create the heart of Mid-Autumn Festival. Celebration of dreams, courage, and connection under the shared moon. Today, Hanoi celebrates Mid-Autumn Festival in its own modern way. The streets are brighter, the music louder, and the moonlight mixed with neon lights and phone screens. But even with all the changes, and the laughter, the light, and the crowd, the spirit remains the same. It's the same moon our grandparents once watched. Only the world around it has changed. That's the beauty of Hanoi. No matter how far it's grown, it's never forget to pause for the moon. If you enjoy discovering Hanoi stories, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And so more people can see the beauty behind every location tradition.